So hello IIT Madras. My name is Satyam.Shukla, as you can see my roll number, and I'm doing it as a standalone in diploma. So I'll directly run the code because this is my third attempt and I already made more than 7 minutes video. Okay. So here's the code. So first I'll go to the manager and then I've given assigned one password and username, password and manager one. So I can log in with that. And as you can see, I have summary also, which is here. So summary I'll show you later, but first let's come to the point. So meet. Suppose I have to. This is all category. Suppose I need to add another category, other. Okay. So this is other category, and in other category no products created. So it is showing here. Okay. Now let's add some product. So let's add milk in that. Okay. So milk would be in liters, of course, and then liter is here. Okay, so the rate would be suppose 50. I don't have time, so I'll take anything. 348 would be much. So yeah, this is my milk. Okay, so now I can edit it also. As you can see here is action option. I can keep it curd. Okay, I can make it curd again, and I can delete it also. Also I can do the same thing for here this. So I can remove the category. I can change the category name. Let's remove the category. Okay, so it's asking for this, for the confirmation. Okay, so I gave the confirmation, enter, and it got removed. Now let's don't waste time and log out, and let's come back to the user. Okay. So for user, I'll have to do register and then log in. So let's do user 11 and pass 11 because I'm sure it is not in the database. So yeah, and then you can see here it says to login, and then I'll user 11, pass 11, and I'll go to the login. Okay, it came here. I can add to the cart. Suppose let's add 2 3 items. This is quantity, and now here's the cart. And I also, same way I can also make the booking here. Okay, so let's say buy, and from the buy I'll buy 5 milk. Okay, so I'll go here, and then you can see in the bookings I can remove from here also, and same I can do with the cart. But I'll remove this one, and then no item found. But don't worry, I can proceed here to check out to bring this meat loaf into the bookings. Now you can see the cart is empty and it got back to the bookings, and the total payment amount is 2300. So that is pretty much all. Okay, I think I missed one thing. I missed the search functionality. So let's go directly. Okay, I don't know why I'm not getting. Let's go directly to search. So I can search any object from here. Okay, search by this way, and this. So here it came the result by category and product, and same I can do with price, and I can see meatloaf and tomato are this price range. So that was my project. Thank you so much.